There is a story about Saint John, the apostle of Jesus. John had become old. He had his own disciples, and every day he was teaching them, sharing with them his experiences. Constantly he was speaking about love. You must love God, you must love your neighbor, you must love your enemies, you must love everyone. His disciples got fed up by hearing this word love, love, love every day. So one day, one of his disciples took the courage and asked him, Master, don't you have any other things to share with us? Every day you talk about love, love, love. John smiled at him and said, My dear son, what can I do? My master spoke only about love, so I'm sharing with you. In today's both the readings, we heard about love. For the matter of fact, the entire Bible could be summarized in one word, and that is love. Love is the trademark, hallmark of Christianity. But in English, we have only one word, love. We love our parents, we love our siblings, we love our neighbors, we love our friends, we love God, and we love our dogs, cats, and our pets. Only one word, love. Very poor language, English, as far as love is concerned.